So welcome back to the online math class and good afternoon all of you. Am I audible and visible to you properly? Am I audible and visible to you properly? Am I audible and visible to you properly? Respond me. Okay. So today we will discuss about the section formula. That is page number 274. Okay. So just like the 2D formulas are similar, very much similar. First of all, I am telling you the formula, then we will solve some problems. Okay. Number 1, the coordinate of the point R, which divides the line segment joining two points P, the coordinate x1, y1, z1, and Q, that is x2, y2, z2, internally in the ratio m is to n R. So the coordinate of the point R, which divide the line segment joining two points P and Q internally, okay. In the ratio m is to n. So the coordinate will be mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. I am erasing the figure here for writing the formula, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n, and the last one mz2 plus nz1 by m plus n, that is internally. Okay. Have you written the formula? Jilam, Jasmine, who are doing the class? Bishal, Sunirmal. At the end of the class, we will take the attendance, okay? Respond me, who are doing the class? Okay, now, if R divides the line segment joining two points P and Q externally, okay, now I am changing it the formula to the next formula, that is externally. In the ratio m is to n, then all pluses will be converted into minus. mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n, and mz2 minus nz1 by m minus n. This is externally. R divides PQ externally. So here R will be outside the line segment. R lies outside line segment, that is M and that is N. Okay. sphere. Have you got it? Type it first, Vishal. Type it first. Now the midpoint. These two are the main formulas. A midpoint, the formula of midpoint, that is a particular case of the formula number 1. Coordinate of midpoint of PQ, that will be x1 plus x2 by 2. Here m is to n means 1 is to 1. y1 plus y2 by 2 and z1 plus z2 by 2. Isn't it the midpoint? All the formulas are like the 2D. Welcome, Krishnendu. Yes, good afternoon. Is it all right? Is it done? The formulas? Okay. Now move on to the exercise. That is page number 277. Exercise number 12.3. Find the coordinates of the point which divide the segment joining the points that is given here, minus 2, 3, 5 and 1, minus 4, 6 in the ratio internally 2:3, externally 2:3. So after completing the test, where I will send the PDF, you will send it through this chat box. There is an option add file. During your class, the exam is taken. Okay. So here P, that is minus 2, 3, 5. That means x1 minus 2, y1 3 and z1 5. Q 1 minus 4 6. So x2 1, y2 minus 4, z2 6, and in ratio internally m is to n 2:3. Okay. So the coordinate of the point, coordinate of, you do it in your copy. Coordinate of required point, you do it in your copy. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus 1, then my2 plus ny1 by m plus 1 and mz2 plus n z1 by m plus 1. Sorry, m plus n. So now put the values here. I am erasing the upper portion. Put the values here. Instead of m, we'll put here 2. So 2 into, so in the denominator all will be 2 plus 3. Okay, in the numerator, first of all 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 2, then 2 into minus 4 plus 3 into 3, 2 into 6 plus 3 into 5. Isn't it? Isn't it? You do the calculation. So 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. The first portion minus 4 by 5. Denominator will be all same. Second portion minus 8 plus 9, that is 1 by 5. And the last portion 12 plus 15, so 27 by 5. Isn't it the coordinate? Isn't it the coordinate of the required point? Yes, 27 by 5, the last portion. So the whole coordinate. Where are the rest of the students? Respond me. Vishal, Jhilam, Krishnendu, respond me. Is it all right? Minus 4 by 5, 1 by 5, 27 by 5. Very good. Now the second one, externally. Second one, that is externally. And the m is to n, that is 2 is to 3. So the coordinate of required point mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n, mz2 minus mz1 by m minus n. So put it here. All the denominators 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3. Numerators 2 into x2, that is 2 into 1 minus 3 into minus 2. For the second portion 2 into minus 4 minus 3 into 3. Last portion 2 into 6 minus 3 into 5. So it will be first portion, all the denominators will be minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. And the numerators 2 plus 6, 8 by minus 1, that is minus 8, minus 9, so minus 17 by minus 1. And this is 12 minus 15, so minus 3 by minus 1. That means it will be minus 8, 17, 3. Yes, you are correct. Vishal, Jhilam, Jhilam, -8, 17 and 3 or -3? I think 3, yes. Very good. Can I move on to the next one? Can I move on to the next question? I am erasing the board. Number 2. Here, given points P, Q, R, all the coordinates are given, are collinear. That means 3 points lie on a same line. Find the ratio in which Q divides PR. So let the ratio be K:1. Let the ratio be K:1. Okay. Yes, let the ratio be K:1. In which ratio that Q divides PR. Okay. Now use the formula for the internally. Okay, use it for internally on P and R. P and R. Therefore, Q divides PR in the ratio K:1. Therefore, coordinate of Q. Okay. So all the denominators K+1, K+1, K+1. And numerators K into and 1 into. Just first of all make this format. Okay. So K into which one? K into mx2. So K into 9 from PR. It will be coming from PR R. So K into 9 and 1 into 3. Second portion K into 8 my2 coming from R and 1 into 2. Last portion K into -10 and 1 into -4. Isn't it? That means it will be 9K plus 3 by K plus 1, 8K plus 2 by K plus 1, minus 10K minus 4 by K plus 1. Isn't it? Isn't it? All like the 2D actually. Yes, Krishnendu, do it. Yes. Now I have to compare with the coordinate of Q, because the coordinate of Q is given here. We have found it from the formula. Also it is given that the coordinate of Q 5, 4, minus 6. So according to the condition, the first portion will be 5. I am erasing this one. So according to the question, 9K plus 3 by K plus 1 equals to 5. So 9K plus 3 equals to 5K plus 5. So 4K equals to 2. So K equals to 1 by 2. So same thing will be coming from the next two portions also. The Y coordinate and the Z coordinate. Yes. K equals to 1 by 2. Therefore the required ratio will be, tell me the required ratio. the required ratio will be, therefore the required ratio 1/2:1, that is 1:2, isn't it? You can't leave it in the fractional form, you have to convert it in the integral forms, isn't it? Isn't it? Is it all right? So time is ended here. So that's all for today. Any queries? Anything to ask? So in the exam we will write only the answers. Yes. In the exam the options only. You just write only the options. No explanation required. No explanation required. Write only the answers with the corresponding questions, just like 1A, 2B, in this way. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today. Any queries? First. Okay, so before leaving the class, you just type your name with P for taking the attendance. Thank you all of you for doing the class. We'll be back again here with a new class. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.